Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my Magandang araw, magandang buhay. Welcome back guys sa channel ko. Of course, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So, nag-breakfast na ba kayo? Or nag-merienda? Abay, kung hindi pa, sakto guys dahil yung recipe na isi-share ko sa inyo ay swak na pang-breakfast or pang-merienda out of instant Pancit Canton. So guys, yes, i-level up ulit natin ang ating instant Pancit Canton, and for sure magugustuhan nyo po ito, lalo na po sa mga paborito ang instant Pancit Canton. So ang recipe guys na i-share ko for today out of instant Pancit Canton ay tatawagin natin instant Pancit Canton Rice Omelet. So napakadali lang po itong i-prepare na you can start the day right after eating this meal. So, simulan na natin guys ang preparation para matikman na natin sabay-sabay. Okay. So, ito guys yung mga ingredients na prepare ko, and makikita din sa description box below. So, yung pancit canton natin guys is napakuluan ko na, and I added the seasoning, and then meron din tayong rice. Okay. So, pwedeng leftover rice or yung bagong lutong rice. Okay. And then meron din tayo dito na dagdag sa ating sahog ay ang crab stick. Okay? And of course, ang mga added veggies natin or vegetables ay of course meron tayong celery, meron tayong chopped potato, sliced potato, and then carrots, and of course meron tayong onion and 3 pieces of eggs. And ang ating oil, and ang aking gagamiting pampalasa guys sa ating omelette ay ang ating Maggi sabor hot chili, or this is an option guys para hindi maanghang for the kids, so pwedeng salt na lang and pepper. Okay, so it's cooking time now. Okay, so let's put oil, put the onion, put the crab stick guys. Kung wala naman kayong crab meat guys, you can use pwedeng ham or bacon as an alternate para lang may sahog ang ating omelette. Okay? And then, let's put our carrots and potato. And then, later ng ating celery kasi madali lang siyang maluto. And gusto ko pag sa celery, fresh na fresh pa. Kumbaga matitikman mo yung crunchiness. Hindi na kasi masarap pag overcook ng ating celery. Yun lang yung na-experience ko guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng kulay. No? Then, let's put our Maggi sabor guys as seasoning before we put our rice. Ayan. Sarap nito guys. Malaking tulong sa kusina. Put the rice. Beat the egg. Then last guys, let's put our celery. So, okay na to guys. So, let's prepare our next step to fry our omelette. Okay. Okay guys, so let's fry our omelette. Oh guys, itong pan, lumang-luma na guys. Kaya makita nyo ganyan na. Overuse na siya at kailangan na niyang magpahinga. So, sana magkaroon na ako ng budget to buy a new pan, okay? Pero guys, tefal yan, oh. Put oil, guys. Let's put the egg, beaten egg. Nilagyan ko din ng pepper yung egg, guys. Pinso, paminta. And then, let's put our fried rice. Yan. So, it's up to you guys kung ilalagay nyo to lahat, yung fried rice natin, or half. And then, of course, ang ating instant Pancit Canton. And let's put so, lutuin lang natin guys for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then, saka natin siya i-flip-flip. Okay? Okay na siya guys. So, let's put into plate. Let's put into plate. Then, let's flip guys. 1, 2, 3. And then, let's garnish guys with our celery. So, here's our finished product guys. Ayan, ang ating instant Pancit Canton Rice Omelet. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. I love you all. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ayan. Okay? So, kakain na ako. Kakain na kami. Bye! Yummy!